BrightSign, the global market leader in digital signage media players, introduces BSN.cloud, a robust cloud-based platform that provides a myriad of new tools and services to help customers and partners easily utilize a single device or manage an expansive network of players. BSN.cloud consists of the Control Cloud, the Management Cloud, and the Content Cloud, three versatile cloud solutions with APIs at every level. The solution begins at the player level with BrightSign's operating system 8.0. This purpose-built, commercial-grade OS is specifically designed for digital signage and includes built-in connectivity to BSN.cloud. First is the Control Cloud, a free service included with every player. It offers BrightSign customers and partners simple activation and setup options, as well as real-time data about player performance and remote player control. Next is the Management Cloud. This fee-based service provides data over time, detailed reporting, and access to a variety of other management tools. Last is the Content Cloud, a fee-based service where you can store your media library, content feeds, presentations, and schedules. Let's take a deeper look at some of the new tools. In Control Cloud, a tool called bdeploy allows customers and partners to securely connect to BSN.cloud and set up a player or group of players remotely. Once a player is set up on BSN.cloud, a remote diagnostic web server provides real-time information and a variety of player controls. For instance, a connected player can be reset or rebooted, and software updates from BrightSign or our partners can be deployed remotely. Included in this release are a set of API calls that allow BrightSign partners to take advantage of these new services. With the Control Cloud, provisioning a new player is nearly automatic, and there are options for setting up players in bulk. You can even use a QR code on a smartphone to set up a new player. And for customers who can't or don't want to connect to the internet, offline options are still available. The Management Cloud provides a complete set of digital signage network management tools. It collects and stores proof of play, player performance over time, and remote snapshot data. A new tool sends you email notifications in the event of a player failure or network error. BrightSign partners can utilize the new API calls in the Management Cloud as well. The Content Cloud is where you create, schedule, and publish content to players through UI. This is where you have your media library, content feeds, presentation management, scheduling, and content distribution tools. Here, partners can use the API to build custom interfaces. To make use of all these new services, we have created a new BrightSign application called BrightAuthor Connected. BrightAuthor Connected is BrightSign's user interface to BSN.cloud. It's available both natively on PC and Mac, and it's accessible from a web browser. With BrightAuthor Connected, you can tap into each layer of BSN.cloud, deploying, managing, and authoring to player networks anytime, anywhere. To recap, BSN.cloud is composed of the Control Cloud that facilitates player setup and offers real-time info and controls, the Management Cloud that provides useful, industry-standard data over time, and the Content Cloud that directs media onto players. BSN.cloud was specifically created with our partners in mind. CMS and digital signage solution partners are invited to use our APIs to integrate their unique offerings within the new BrightSign player ecosystem. Now it's easier than ever to get your message out on one screen or thousands. Thanks for watching this introduction to BSN.cloud, BrightSign's cloud-based management platform for connected digital signage networks.